Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to send money from Skrill to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to send money from Skrill to bank account, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Skrill app, and once there, what you need to do is simply log into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is in the menu simply select withdraw option. Then choose bank account as the withdrawal method. Then enter your bank account details like account holder name, IBAN or account number, and SWIFT or BIC code. Then lastly confirm and save your bank account. Then next is to enter the amount you want to send to your bank. Skrill will show fees and exchange rate if converting currency. And lastly confirm the transaction. Then next is to complete the transfer. By Skrill will process the withdrawal. Domestic transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, and international transfer can take 3 to 5 business days. So make sure which one you prefer, and once done, all you gotta do is follow the prompts and you'll be able to send money from Skrill to bank account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.